So problem number 2 gives us a drawing and gives us a triangle. You'll notice that some of the sides have been extended to form exterior angles. So we see angle 150 here is formed by the side of a triangle and the extended side of an adjacent side. So this angle is 150 degrees, 91 is also an exterior angle, it's 91 degrees. We're being asked to find the value of x and y. We can use the theorem we just proved to find angle x. Angle x is another exterior angle because it is formed by the bottom side of the triangle and the extended side of the right side of the triangle. So there are 3 exterior angles in every triangle, and in this triangle there are 150 degrees, 91 degrees, and x degrees. We know they have to sum up to 360, so let us make the equality 150 plus 91 plus x is equal to 360. And if we go ahead and we add this, this gives us 241 plus x equals 360, and I have my trusty little calculator here. If I subtract 241 from both sides, I get 119. Okay, so x equals 119 degrees. If x is 119, then what is y going to be? Well, x and y are a linear pair. So therefore, to find y, we have to take 180 minus 119 because they are a linear pair. And if we do that, that should give us 61 degrees. So y would be 61 degrees. Any way to check this? Well, lots of ways actually. We can look at the angles of this triangle. We know that 91 is the exterior angle, so we know that that means the internal and the internal and exterior angles, or the interior and exterior angles, are a linear pair. So if this is 91, what angle adds to 91 to give us 180 degrees? That would be 89. So we know that this angle of the triangle is 89. And on this vertex, we've got 150 degrees, and this angle of the triangle are also a linear pair, and 30 degrees plus 150 degrees gives us 180 degrees. So we're saying y is 61 degrees, so we can check this by asking ourselves, are the 3 angles of the triangle added together equal to 180 degrees? So let's add 30 degrees, this angle, plus 89 degrees, this angle, plus we're saying y is 61 degrees. Let's add them all together, and I'm going to do that with my calculator here. And I got 30 plus 89 plus 61 equals to 180. Okay, so that does check, and that would be fully consistent with what ought to be true. So we know we've got the right answer. Notice, by the way, that there was another way to get the measure of angle y and x, because had we looked at interior angles of the triangle first and not used the exterior angle theorem, we would have been able to figure out through linear pairs that this was 30 degrees, that this interior angle is 89 degrees, and we could have directly used the triangle sum theorem to figure out that y was 61 degrees, and then therefore x, being a linear pair with y, would be 119 degrees. So there are, as the more you learn in geometry, the more you'll see that there are many different paths that you could take to solve the same problem.